Welcome guys, time for the weekly wrap. Last week we have indicated about Adobe and we have also discussed about Shopify. Hope people have really had some good trades on that. The stocks have really moved well and made some great moves. In this week, it's rather disappointing that S&P 500 index has broken the 50 DMA and the 20 SMA on downside. That's bad news for us. On Monday or Tuesday, if it doesn't come back immediately, the market is going to further come down and most of the indices also are going to go down. A set of sectors which have shown weakness, consumer staples is one of the weakest sector in the last 1 week. That has pulled the index more down. That might be because of the Fed meeting announcement, which would have created some sort of negativity in certain sectors. One among them is the consumer staples and other one is energy. Now if you see the energy index, it's broken the 20 SMA. It's right now at 50 SMA. Monday or Tuesday, this has to give some sort of pullback. In case it doesn't give, we are going to see some more downside on the energy sector. Yes, IT is continuing to be strong. Last week also we were indicating on the IT sector because the index chart was interesting and stocks like Apple have done well, and currently also the index is holding on at all-time high. Any crossover of this all-time high can be a good opportunity to look at IT stocks further. Healthcare is also at all-time high but slightly subdued, taking some sort of sideways activity, but any move on lower side or higher side can take more stronger moves in that particular angle. EQX, this is stock which is really at all-time high and holding on to this with a higher volume. This stock seems to be promising, should maintain some sort of strength. Any dip should be an opportunity to buy. If you're finding the stock price is high, we have one stock which is Cloudflare, which is around $101, and this stock is at all-time high and doing very strong and very positive. Volumes also good. Any dip towards 96, 97 can be a safer trade, and this stock is definitely looking positive for the next week as well. A lot of announcements are expected in Amazon next week, so Amazon can further give some sort of good opportunity on Monday, Tuesday and even Wednesday, but 3550, 3600 is very crucial for Amazon, which is all-time high. There are many stocks which are making all-time high. Last week we discussed about Adobe, it's made all-time high. Previous to that we were speaking about Nvidia, that's also made all-time high. Alphabet was making all-time high. Possibly Amazon also may join the bandwagon of making all-time highs. It needs to be seen in the next week how it's going to react, upside or downside, or maintain the same levels, but important level 3550, 3600 need to be crucially watched at during the next 1 week of the price action. This particular stock, Genuine Parts Company, has broken 20 SMA and 50 SMA with a higher volume. Now we could see a lot of weakness in the stock, but there is some support at 118, 119, some sort of day-to-day intraday activity, or maybe a couple of days. It should give some sort of good reaction between 118, 119 on the positive side, unless and until there is no bad news during the course of next 1 week. So a lot of action in a lot of sectors and good stocks and great movement are expected in these stocks like Cloudflare, Amazon, and on the downside Genuine Parts and EQX. These things are going to be definitely be in the limelight for traders going forward. See you in the next week. Happy trading. Thank you.